Naniniwala ako na ang pagbabago ng bansang Pilipinas ay manggagaling sa atin. Matthew 28:19-20, sabi ko, therefore, go and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, and teaching them to obey everything I have commanded you, and surely I am with you always. So every time na consistent natin ginagawa yung vision, si Lord lagi tayong sinasamahan. Si Lord hindi ka iniiwan. Lahat ng pangangailangan mo ibibigay ni Lord. Bakit? You are consistently doing the vision. Kasi hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, consistent mong ginagawa yung vision pero hindi mo namang intentionally ginagawa. Kailangan natin yung speed. Seeking God, prayer, evangelism, empowerment, and doing the vision. Bakit? The key to speed and acceleration is consistency. Kailangan mo ng speed. Speed will take you to your destination. Kailangan ng bilis. Alam nyo, pag sasakay ka ng aeroplano, hindi sila lumilipad ganon. Kailangan nila ng speed. Kailangan nila ng momentum. Darating yung time, lilipad ka rin. This is the flying season.